Okay, this is going to be the last of the S-type files for the moment. There will be many more. Just at the moment, I've reached the end of what I'm going to do currently. There will be a short one coming up replacing the rear tie rod ends, sway bar links. Get the name right. That will be in maybe 3 or 4 days' time. Then it's time for me to move on to my other projects, and then I'll come back to the S-type, but that won't be until later. So if you're only interested in the S-type, I suggest you subscribe and click the bell notification, then you'll see when I put out more shit. Be it S-type, be it XK8, be it Triumph Bonneville, or be it Jaguar Mark II. I do all sorts of shit, or even customer cars. So you'll have to stay tuned. Hope you've enjoyed these videos. It's been fun doing them, but I'm almost at the end of what I want to do with this S-type, but there is a lot of niggly things that I want to do. They will come later. Anyway, that's it for now. This is a very short video. Thank you for watching. Please do give it the old thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever you prefer, and make a comment.
Okay, you may think it's silly, but I like that. Jaguar, supercharged. Yeah. Nice bit of presentation. These are fun to get on and off. Jesus Christ. Got to get them just in the right spot. Okay. Onward and upward. Interesting. This is the only coil with that marking on it. I wonder if that's an original. And look, it actually came out. Also, it doesn't look in particularly good condition. But it came out with the boot. But look at the oil on that, yeah. That tells me I really do need to get the rocker covers, gaskets, and get those sorted out because I'm leaking oil. It's a bit of a bugger. Didn't want to do that just yet, but certainly something I got to do, and I'd like to replace all the coils, I really would, but that's expensive. That's very expensive to replace 8 coils. Shit, I don't even know how much they cost each. Too much. Now both sides are done. Got that one finished. And this one too. I like it, which is what matters. Yeah. This side, by the way, was really easy. All the spark plug coils came out without a problem. The ones on the other side have been replaced, probably with cheap ones, and they just didn't do the job properly. Unfortunately, I have discovered that the seals around the valve cover, spark plugs, whatever you want to call it, they're leaking a bit, so that's a job for the future. New valve cover gaskets, which is quite a bit of work.